Have you ever finished a coaching session and then thought, "That went well," only to have the client cancel their next session or disappear completely? It happens way more often than you think, and it usually traces back to the very first session. Today, I'm giving you the exact blueprint to nail your first session so your clients stay, succeed, and sing your praises. Before we jump in, a quick heads up. Stay with me until the very end because I'm giving you a super simple 3-step checklist you can use right away to transform your next first session into a total success. It's easy, practical, and it'll make a real difference. Here's something not many coaches realize. Your very first coaching session will either ignite a powerful, life-changing relationship, or it quietly plants the seeds of doubt that later cause your client to ghost you. A lot of new coaches think the first session is just a warm-up, like, let's just see how it goes. It's not. The first session is everything. It's where you either build unstoppable trust or you unknowingly lose it. Today, I'm pulling back the curtain and giving you the real strategies that set you up for deep connection, confidence, and long-term client success. If you want clients who stay, transform, and refer others to you, it all starts here. Let's dive in. A lot of coaches think the first session starts when you hop on Zoom or meet in person, but it actually starts before you ever speak a word. So you want to set the tone early. And you can do that by sending a warm welcome email that welcomes them into the program and reassures them that they've made the right decision. You could also send a simple intake form asking about their goals, challenges, and even how they'd like to feel after coaching with you. When you do this, you instantly position yourself as organized, thoughtful, and professional, and you help your client feel seen and safe before the first word is even spoken. Now, once you're actually on the call, the first 5 minutes set the stage for the rest of the call, and to a lesser extent, the rest of the coaching relationship. First impressions count. This is where emotional safety is either built or broken. Start warm, genuinely warm. Use their name. Smile if you're on camera. Take a minute for some light small talk. It's not wasting time. It's laying the foundation for trust. And really meet them where they are. If they're a little nervous, you mirror calm confidence. If they're excited, match that energy. Remember, before they trust your coaching process, they have to trust you as a person. One of the best things you can do as a coach is to always show up to your sessions with a clear plan in mind. Now, of course, you want to stay flexible based on what comes up, but clients feel so much safer and more motivated when they sense that you know where you're leading them. Coaching isn't just about talking, it's about guiding. When you have a clear blueprint, you build more momentum, deliver more breakthroughs, and your clients trust the process so much more. And listen, if you don't want to create that blueprint from scratch, I get it. That's exactly why I created the Total Transformation Done For You coaching program. It's a full 12-session program that gives you everything you need. Coaching session outlines, tools, questions, so you never have to wonder, what should I say next? And honestly, for just $49, it's a complete steal. If you want to check it out, the link's right there in the description. Now, something a lot of new coaches don't realize. Your client's nervous system is paying attention before their brain even is. They're asking themselves, am I safe here? You want to make it really clear from the beginning. This is a judgment-free, growth-focused space. Acknowledge that it's normal to feel a little nervous. Celebrate the courage it took just to show up. When clients feel that emotional safety from you, they open up faster, they go deeper, and the real transformation work can begin. Next up, this one's huge. Listen more than you talk. And I don't just mean hearing words. I mean really listening. Listen for what's being said and what's not being said. Reflect key phrases back to them. Mirror their emotions. When a client feels truly heard and understood, they relax. They trust you. And honestly, sometimes feeling heard is half the healing. Here's another important piece. Be really clear from the start that coaching is a partnership. You're not there to fix them. You're there to guide, support, and hold a mirror up to their best self. And they're not passive passengers. They're active creators in this journey. When you frame it like that, clients feel empowered. And when they feel empowered, they show up bigger and bolder for themselves. And finally, don't let the session just fizzle out at the end. Always close with a win. Highlight one insight, breakthrough, or next step they can feel good about. Even if it's tiny, it matters. Because momentum builds on momentum. When a client ends a session feeling like they're already making progress, they can't wait to come back for more. All right, quick recap. Here's your first session roadmap. Build trust before you even meet. Nail the first 5 minutes. Always have a structured plan. Create emotional safety. Listen deeply and reflect. Define the partnership dynamic. Celebrate a micro win before you close. Simple? Yes. Powerful? Absolutely. And as promised, here's your simple 3-step checklist. Step 1. Send a welcome email and intake form. Step 2. Spend 5 to 7 minutes creating genuine emotional connection before jumping into coaching. Step 3. Always enter the session with a clear structure or plan, even if you adjust as you go. Use these 3 steps and watch how different your next first session feels, and how much more connected your clients feel to you. If you want done-for-you coaching session frameworks, powerful coaching questions, client templates, basically everything you need to coach with total confidence, check out the coaching toolkits I created just for you. They'll save you hours and help you deliver transformational sessions with ease. Links are in the description. Go take a peek. If you want more real-world coaching strategies and confidence builders, hit subscribe, tap the bell, and let's keep growing together.